Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram video can't be posted on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram video can't be posted, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we click, and then in this page you will go to apps here, and you will click like this. After that, in this page you will go down to Instagram, as you see here, and then here we will go to click for stop. When you will click here for stop, you will go to click storage, as you see, and here in this page you will go to clear cache, and after that you will click here clear data. Then you can then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.